Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free fastest file finder for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as Wiz file, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. Below you can see your download option. Just click on download. So here you will see different version. So we are gonna use the free version. This is completely free. So you can download either the installer or the portable one. So right now I will download the portable one, which does not require any installation. So if you want to install it, then you can get this installer application. So I will download the portable. So finally the download has completed. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double left click it to extract this zip file. So just open the extracted folder. So here you will see in the bottom two files, one is Wiz file and one is Wiz file 64. So right now I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna use this. If you're using a 32-bit, then you can use the first one. So just double left click on the software. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So it's a very straightforward application. So wait for a few seconds. So below you can see it's scanning and finding all the files and folders that are present on your respective Windows computer. So have patience. So finally the scan is completed. Now you can search anything, whatever you like. You can see here some options like match file name only, or you can match entry path, the folder location, or you just want to search for the folders. And below here you can see all types. That means audio, video, image, whatever you want to search. You can select all types or a particular file. If you want to search like a audio, then you can just select a audio, then only it will show audio. It will show you the image files and folders. So you can see, or all types, then all types of files and folders will be shown. And here you can select the size also. So greater than or bigger than 4 GB size, or within 1 GB to 4 GB size, large, medium, small, tiny, empty. So if you want to search for the empty files and folders also, there is the option, and you can select the time, how many days old, and you can select all these things here. Say if I want to search a particular name, say if I type H, so you can see here it will just match the file name only with a H. So on which file the H letter is present, it will show up everything here. If you search any like R, so it will show all the files having a R alphabet. You can type completely, so you can see the results showing up very quickly compared to the source options that is available in the Windows operating system. But this applications is much faster in showing the results. So in my opinion, it's a very good free fastest file finder for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.